Arthur!
What?
Let's buy a refrigerator.
Why the fuck do you want to buy a fridge?
Why not?
Okay. Fridge.
Yep.
What the fuck?
The fuck you want?
What's with the fucking fridge?
I don't know. Ask John.
What?
The fridge.
What about it?
Why is it here?
You got a problem with it?
Move it or I will blow your fucking brains out.
Whoa, chill, Dutch. Tell me your problems with fridges, and then maybe I'll move it.
I eat fucking fridges.
You eat refrigerators?
Haha, John. I'm bulletproof.
Kamikaze attack!
Everything's gone. Must eat. My heart, our radiation,